Hello everyone. This video is made for the revision of Unit 2 chapters. So in this video we will revise the chapters which will come in your Unit 2 test. So okay. So revise this. As you know that chapter sentence is coming in your Unit 2 test. And I have explained all parts of sentences, all kinds of sentences in my previous videos. So in this video, for the revision of chapter sentences, I am going to give you an exercise to do. The question is, in the following sentences, separate the subjects and the predicate. It means that you have to separate the subject and predicate. आपको subject और predicate को divide करके अलग अलग कॉलम में लिखना है. Sentences are given here. यहाँ पर sentence दिए गए हैं. आपको एक sentence को proper way में read करना है, फिर find out करना है, पता लगाना है कि क्या subject है, उसे आप 1 के subject column में लिखोगे and then what is the predicate, आप predicate के column में उसे mention करोगे. Okay, so first one is the cackling of geese saved Rome. Second, stone walls do not a prison make. Third, all matter is indestructible. All matter is indestructible. Fourth, no man can serve two masters. Fifth, a sick room should be well aired. Sixth, I shot an arrow in the air. Seventh, the shepherd hears a barking sound. And eighth, up went the balloon. These are the sentences, and you will divide these sentences in subjects and predicates. And I know that you can do it very well. So now do the exercise. After sentences, the next chapter which will come in your Unit 2 test is nouns. I have explained you what are nouns. Nouns are naming words. And the 5 kinds of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. And except of these nouns, I have explained you concrete nouns and compound nouns. So now here in this exercise, I am going to give you some sentences in which you have to circle the nouns. First, you will read these sentences properly and then you will circle the nouns given in the following sentences. The first one is, the cat is purring. Second, the boy kicked the ball. Third, Sam plays with his friend Ben. Fourth, the bus stops at the red light. Fifth, We saw tigers at the zoo. 6. These flowers are beautiful. And Dad drives us carefully in the car. So, as I told you, you will encircle the nouns given in the following sentences, and you will mention also the names of the kinds of that nouns. You will write the kind too. आप ये भी बताएंगे कि वो कौन सा काइंड है नाउन का. So this is the exercise for chapter nouns. Now do the exercise. Now last but not the least chapter that will come in unit 2 test is articles. As I told you, an article is a word that comes before a noun. Noun you already know. So articles are used before nouns. And we have total 3 articles that are the, a, an. And articles are of 2 types. First, indefinite articles, and second, definite articles. What comes in indefinite articles? A and. A and an will come in your indefinite articles. And the article will come in your definite article. So the is called definite article and a and an are called indefinite articles. Now I am giving you exercise to complete the blanks with a and the. And I have also explained you omission of articles. मैंने आपको ये भी समझाया है प्रीवियस वीडियो में कि omission of articles यानी कि कहाँ पर articles का यूज़ नहीं करना है. So you will read these sentences carefully. आपको ये देखना है कि पहले कौन से सेंटेंस में आर्टिकल्स का यूज़ होगा और कहाँ पर नहीं होगा. जहाँ पर नहीं होगा वहाँ पर आप क्रॉस लगा सकते हो या फिर आप ज़ीरो लिख सकते हो. और जहाँ पर हमें आर्टिकल्स का यूज़ करना है देयर यू विल यूज़ द प्रॉपर एप्रोप्रिएट आर्टिकल. वहाँ पर ए लगेगा, एन होना चाहिए या द आर्टिकल का यूज़ होगा, वो आप मेंशन करोगे. ठीक है. सो रीड दिस सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट वन इज Sally. Sally has got dash cat. What is dash cat's name? Second, can you give me dash envelope please? Certainly. Oh, where is dash envelope? Third, can you play dash guitar? No, I can't, but I can play dash piano. Fourth, do you often come to dash work on foot? No, I don't. Fifth, the school is very cold. Hasn't it got dash central heating system? It has, but dash central heating is broken down. So you will fill with the correct articles in the following sentences. And I hope that all of you can do it very well.